Professor Mitter is retiring after 28 years of teaching at the college. She's a renowned portrait artist and has taught a wide range of courses, including anatomy, figure painting, historical methods, and large-scale drawing that have contributed to the strong reputation of our painting program. Countless fine arts graduates cite her influence as being a formative factor in their development as artists. Moreover, she's beloved by students and colleagues alike. She's one of the most caring, thoughtful, and humble people we know. We're all going to miss her a great deal. Please join me in a salute to Professor Mitter.
Nancy, don't go.
It's now my pleasure to introduce the Dean of the College, Imre Molnar.